guys. We're headed to the farmers market. Today is day 1 of this farmers market season. When we're done at the farmers market, we're gonna go home. We're gonna show you guys everything that we got. So one of our finds was this entire case of peaches. They were selling them 5 for $7, so we just got a case for like 30 bucks, which is a really good deal. These were 10 bucks for about 16 of them. Case of mangoes here. It's an organic watermelon that we got from Whole Foods. This was actually $8, so that was one of our more expensive items, but the quality of it is really good. We got these little bananas from the same farmers market that we got these mangoes from. So we actually went to, I think, 3 different places to get everything here. Then these were also from the farmers market. Tons of greens at the farmers market. We got some kale, some lettuce, that's some bok choy, I think, some green onions, and then we got about a half a case of bananas. These are super cheap. I think 69 cents a pound for these, and we just get these from our local Kroger. They had boiled peanuts there, which our kids had never tried. My mom actually used to make these back when I was a kid, and these are actually the spicy Cajun ones. But yeah, that was basically it. Couple tips: obviously shop around if you have to. Sometimes it just makes the most sense financially. And then also, don't be afraid to go to the international farmers market. I know some of them can be a little bit busy and chaotic, but ours we just went to first thing in the morning. You're able to get some good deals from there. Buy organic when you can, obviously. A lot of these were certified, naturally grown, and that's about as close as some farmers can afford to get, you know, instead of getting the organic tag, because that is a little expensive. They do put a premium on people who are allowed to use the word organic. So some of these local farmers, the best that they can certify for is just certified natural, and that's no use of pesticides and stuff like that. So just make sure you ask when you go to the farmer's market, ask the farmer, each individual farmer, what is the situation with your produce. And we are about to feast because we are all starving. Hi, Wes. Hi. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah.
Guys,
I know.
that was basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in some way. We have a lot coming up on the channel. I want to thank everybody. We are getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, which is insane. Thank you so much to everybody. We are so appreciative and grateful, and thank you to everybody who comes in every video and leaves so much love in the comment section. You guys have no idea how much it means to us. We started this channel because there weren't a lot of families like us on YouTube, and we just wanted to share a little bit of our lives and to show you guys that it really doesn't have to be that complicated. It can be very simple to go vegan as a family, and that is it.